song by Juanita Bynum, Any Crown. I'm going to be playing in the key of F. This song has two keys, F, and then it modulates to G and then comes back to F. So in the key of F, we'll be starting from 6 chord. It says 6, 5, the flat, and then back to 5. Then it modulates to G. This is the 6 of G, 5, then the flat back to the 5. So let me play the intro for you. Alright, so let me play it slowly. You play it twice, then modulate to G. This is the 6 of G. That's E, 5, flat, and then this is my 5th chord. Alright, so basically that's the chords for the intro. 6, 5, flat, 5, then you play it twice. Any praise I ever gain, I really want to you. Then da 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 da, give you all the glory. Now this 4 of G, that's the 4th chord of key G. That's C and then G, C, D, E, and then G. Give me all the glory. So this is your G major, G, D, G, and then I'm playing D, G, A, B. Now this your on your right you have a major 9th. You could play like this, but I'm playing it here. The next part. You are worthy, O Lord, of all honor. You are worthy to receive all my praise. And in your presence I live, and with all I have to give, I will on your right, this is the chord. It's a E, G, A, C. That's your 2nd chord on G. So you have A, E, and then A. Okay, so from the 2nd chord, you move to 6. E, B, and then you have E, G, B. So you are worthy, O Lord, of all honor. So I'm playing my 5th chord as at now. D, A, D, E, F sharp, and then A. So you play it through. You are worthy, O Lord, 6 of all honor, 5. You are worthy to receive 6 of my praise, 5. And in your presence too, I live, 6. And with all I have to give, 5. Then this is where you play 4, 5, 6. I will I will worship. So see, I'm playing. Modulation. Alright, so I believe these chords should be able to help you play the song, and yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.